It is only by coming together, only by treating each other with respect as fellow Americans, not seeing each other as deplorables, not seeing each other as, well, I'm on one team and you're on another team, therefore we must oppose each other, but actually thinking about, what does our Pledge of Allegiance say? This Pledge of Allegiance that many of us have taken countless times throughout our lives, that we are one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. United we stand, divided we fall, and we must stand united to actually fulfill that vision of our nation that our founders had for us. A nation that is led by leaders who are truly of the people, by the people, and for the people. And this is why I'm running for president, to bring these values of service above self to the presidency, to make sure that our White House represents the principles of integrity and honor and respect, and serves as that beacon of light and hope and opportunity for every single American.